Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about this article from Teslarati. Basically that there's a lot of Tesla Model Y Juniper been spotted in California, and right now they're doing a lot of testings. And then we're going to hop over to the onto the X platform, and we're going to take a look at some of the features that there's expected to have on the new Tesla Juniper, right? And so basically, like, more sightings of the Tesla Model Y Juniper were recently reported on social media. The sightings comes amidst of reports that Tesla China is preparing for the initial production of an updated version of the all-electric vehicle. So Tesla going to be producing the Tesla Juniper in China first. So, and then afterwards, it's going to be in the Fremont and so on. The recent Model Y Juniper prototype sighting was reported in California. Similar to past sightings, the vehicle was spotted in the wild, and it features a front and rear end that were completely camouflaged. Right, the apparent Model Y Juniper prototype were also fitted with heavily tinted windows. So as you can see right here, posted by Herbert Ong right here, Tesla Model Y. So I think the changes would be mainly on the front end and the back end, and then the inside more likely, right? So, but the shape is still probably the same. Tesla China report from Light Post in China claimed that the upgraded Tesla Model Y would start production in January 2025, which most likely in a couple of days. Light Post also suggests that the Model Y upcoming upgrade will be quite similar to the Model 3 Highland, which included updates to the all-electric sedan's exterior, interior, battery, and the powertrain. The report also claimed that Tesla China will start producing a six-seat versions of the updated Model Y in Q4 of 2025. So I think I want to see some picture of this. I think it's going to be nice. You know, the seven-seater for the Model Y, my brother has it, and it's quite pretty small. And it's meant to fit like for kids under the age of, I believe, maybe 12 and under. That will be more comfortable sitting in the third row seats. But other than that, it's pretty small. So previously leaked images of the alleged Model Y Juniper hinted at a red light bar in the vehicle's rear. Other rumors features for the Model Y Juniper include a grille-less front and a 15.4-inch tilting infotainment system and a newly developed fourth-generation drive unit. The Model Y in context, the Model Y is a Tesla best-selling vehicle in 2023. It became the world's best-selling car by volumes. An upgrade to the Model Y will likely prove popular among consumers, considering that the vehicle is still likely selling well today. This is despite the Model Y still sporting an older design compared to its sedan sibling, the Model 3. So if it has the same Model 3 keel, then it'll be really nice. So it's like a mini of the Model S, right? So, but let's hop over to the X, and we'll see what's with the updates here. So this is posted by Tesla Newswire. So according to the Chinese media, so most likely the information also from the Chinese media, it's because they're going to be the first one to be producing the Juniper. So the Tesla upgraded Model Y Juniper is expected to feature the following enhancement. So the front LED light bar, most likely like this one right here. But to me, it's nice. It's awesome. Streamlined design, ditching the traditional SUV elements. Grille-less front design. So I like it. If you look at some of the grill that most of the manufacturers have right now, I think the way that they see is the bigger the grill, the better. Like the BMW looks so nasty. Even the Lexus, you know, the grill is just there should be a limit size on the grill. You know, they keep making bigger and bigger. You know, it's terrible design. And this one is large 15.4 tilting center screen with 2.5K resolution, same size as the Model 3, and likely the same tilting tech as the Model S and X, which is nice. And the newly developed fourth generation drive unit. So these are some of the pictures that we might be getting. We don't know for sure yet. But if we do a quick Google search and it comes up this one, I think this is more likely because it's coming from China. And you can see this is a red Tesla Model Y, right? Juniper looks really nice, pretty sleek. So usually what Tesla, they do not change a lot of the designs. It's just upgraded, fix a little bit here and there because it's really nice, you know. Look at here. This is the back. This is what talking about the long light bar across right here. And this is the same. I think the performance wheel that we have on the Model 3 Highland right now, and looks really nice, right? And here, 4 days ago, a lot of them Juniper, right? Suspecting. So I think this is the exactly what we're gonna be getting the Model Y. So if you guys are not in a hurry to get a Tesla, you can probably wait a couple months, probably a couple months, maybe a month or two before you can even get the Juniper. But let's hop over to the Tesla inventory and to see if there's any discount, any deals that Tesla might be giving towards the end of the quarter, instead of just to to get people to buy them. So as you can see, it says 3 months of supercharging and 3 months of FSD if the vehicle is picked up by December 31st. So I was almost in the same time frame that when I purchased my vehicle, December 27th, and picked up on the 29th. All right, so at that time I got 10,000 miles supercharging. I don't know if you guys Tesla gonna be providing 10,000 miles and 2 years, whichever comes first, right? But here you can see the Tesla Model Y right here. This is the long-range rear-wheel drive. This is a demo vehicle, $29,730. 5 seats configuration, white interior, 19-inch wheel, blue paint. Not bad at all. Rear-wheel drive. We got quite a bit of rear-wheel drive here. 29 is the cheapest that we have. Long range here. And here we got a long range right here, all-wheel drive, 34,000. This is also a demo. Let's click on this one, see what it does, what it has here for you. So we can see off the back, this is the price, $34,330. Price adjustment of $4,160, probably due to the fact that it's a demo vehicle and it has 1,139 miles. Deep blue metallic 20-inch conduction wheel. This is pretty nice. Oh, this is a 7-seater as well too. Oh wow, not bad. And we click on here, we can see more about it here, because it gives you the this vehicle does qualify for the 7,500 fair tax credit, but Tesla usually include this 5 years of gas saving, which they calculated to roughly $6,000. But if we take that out, and that's how much you will be expecting to pay for this vehicle. This is dirt cheap, $40,330. And let's see if you were to do the financing part of it, see how much. So if you were to finance this with the minimum $3,999 for a term of 72 months, assuming you guys have good credit, 720 plus, the APR will be 5.99%. Again, so I don't know if this is actually Tesla financing or they outsource it to another third party like Wells Fargo, Bank of America, Chase, or who knows what. But back in 2022, I got it for 5.34%, and it was with Wells Fargo. All right, so here I give you a little bit more explanation what needs, how much it is, when, how much to do, including that in there too. All right, tax and fees, $726 a month. Not bad. And you can also get all the warranty here, still 4 years, 50,000, battery and motor units, 8 years, 120,000 miles. And the condition, it says here, it meets Tesla cosmetics and mechanical standards. And you can pick this up in Upland, available for immediate pickup. So if you're looking for a Tesla and you want the savings, this is not bad at all. Like for 1,100 miles on driven on the demo, which is not bad, right? And any imperfections you find on the vehicles, you have 100 miles to notify, to put in the service request, so Tesla can fix it for you. And as you know, if you use my referral code, the link, you can get I think $1,000 or $1,500 off as well as too. So you might as well take advantage of that. But let's see. The last time I checked on the inventory, they had the Cybertruck as well too. There was like 7 of them, and then maybe 3 Cyber Beasts. and then the rest will all-wheel drive. So it's 8. They still have 8. So yeah, so it looks like they're having a hard time selling the Cybertruck, or because it's been in inventory for quite a bit. And if you can see the difference here between the all-wheel drive and the Cyber Beast, it's a little bar light on the top over here, if you guys not familiar with it. And roughly the pricing for this is what, $94,000, and there's $114,000, $20,000 difference between the two. So a lot I've seen on the forums, like if you're gonna get something, you know what I mean, you might as well go all out, because don't buy the all-wheel drive and down the line, maybe about a month or two, you regret it for not getting the Cyber Beast. So you live once, buy something you really like, done, right? And let's see, let's look at the used car. Let's see, let's take a look at the used car, see if there's any discount. Wow, they have the price really dropped dramatically. Because I usually don't see like the price range in 13,000, 15,000. It's like 25, 27,000 minimum. But look at all these prices right here. Wow. For there's a standard range here plus rear wheel drive, 13,000, only 45,000 miles, 2019. So if you're gonna buy a used vehicle, I suggest you buy something newer maybe in the range of 22, 21, at least 21 and up. Like this one, 15,000, right? You got 262 miles, 48,000 miles, 16,000. Very nice. 2022, this one right here, wheel drive, 21,000 miles for 16,000. Wow, that is really nice. Really good price. So the price of used Tesla, it's going down dramatically. Because like I said, maybe a couple of weeks ago when I tried to search for a used, I wouldn't see these. They would only have like 25,000, 26,000 up. But look at how right now, a lot of standard range here, rear wheel drive. 2020, 2018. And they also have a performance too for 21,000. What year is this? 2019. Red color, 56,000 miles. Let's see if we can find one with the FSD too. I see one right here. 21,000. Standard range plus rear wheel drive. 35,000 miles, 21,300. But you look at the APR when you put it over. 72 months, 8.29% APR with the $7,500 down. So remember, when you're buying a used car, I believe it's under 25,000, you do also get $4,000 off. So let's go up onto the top and let's see if they have the performance in there. All right, so minimize it. So this one 20,000. 38,000 miles. Look at the 22. 23,000. Wow. Model 3. 2 years ago, before I bought my 2023 Model Y, I was about to buy a 2022 or 2020. 2020 with 44,000 miles with FSD for $40,000. The reason why it didn't go through was that the owner had to register the car under Seattle state, and then somehow my local bank was not able to figure it out, and then I had to pass up that deal and got the Model Y. But there's a lot of cars out there. Check this out, FSD too. Nice. All right, guys. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. And once again, don't forget to use my referral code for a couple $1,000 off on your new vehicle. And once again, I want to thank the people that have already used my referral code. I do get credits off of you guys. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Take care. Be safe. Till next time.